can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be talking about Supreme Week 15 and the Dead Prez collaboration, which is set to release for this upcoming week. Honestly, I thought this was going to be BOGO week, and I did record a video speaking on that, but I did say that it could be either this week or next week. So what I'm gonna do is just save that video for next week, because that's just what it's gonna end up doing. We are gonna talk about that, and I actually do have a couple items to show you guys today from a company called Subtle, which actually did sponsor this video. I feel like they are pretty fire, and they sent me some clean ass pieces to show you guys today. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And hey, let me know what type of videos you would like me to make. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So it's another Supreme week with another Supreme collab. This one is a little bit lazy, much like every other collab that's been dropping this season. I do want to go ahead and cover it for you guys though. We do have this Dead Prez 5-panel hat. Basically it says Dead Prez on the front, then it says Supreme on the back, and it has a little middle finger on the side. That's pretty much it. It literally has the Supreme Arc logo on the back around the little cutout that's on the 5-panel hat. Then it has the little middle finger on the right side of it with the little Dead Prez logo on the front. Hey, I'm gonna leave that right there. We do have these Dead Prez RBG embroidered sweatpants. I'm assuming this stands for red, black, green RBG. That's what it stands for in my opinion. I don't know, but we do have basically this middle finger design going across the whole sweatpants. Honestly, a little bit lazy in my opinion. I feel like the Public Enemy collab from 2 seasons ago was way better than this. I don't know, bro. This is kind of watered down in my opinion. I just feel like they could have done so much better. At least where the red is, they could have put Supreme inside of it. Did something a little bit better. I just feel like this is too simple, and it's just a Dead President's collab. Like, it's nothing Supreme in this. That's all I'm saying. Once again, we have the middle finger design for this Dead Prez tee right here. Once again, we got the same middle finger design for this RBG tee. I feel like this is the same thing. Once again, you got the Dead Prez logo on the back of the shirt. Then on the front, you have the little middle finger logo with the Supreme Box logo under it. Honestly, I don't know much about this, but I feel like this tee isn't too bad. I kind of am feeling it in the camo colorway more than anything, because it looks fire on that colorway, and I don't have any camo color tees, so that might be an option for me. We do have this Dead President's quilted work jacket, which is the piece that I saw initially when these pieces were even leaked. The only piece that was leaked was the Dead Prez jacket. Honestly, I feel like the jacket isn't too bad. You got that Dead Prez logo on the back of the jacket. It's gonna be coming out in 3 different colorways, that red, green, and the black, which I'm pretty sure is what RBG stands for at this point. You got the big Dead Prez logo on the back. You got the small Supreme logo on the front in like the cursive font. Then on the inside, you probably got the best part of the jacket, which sucks because it's probably not even reversible. You got the same Dead Prez logo, then you got Supreme all around it in like this creamish color, which is actually pretty hard. They should have made this jacket reversible. It would have been 10 times better, but this isn't too bad. Not too bad. I just feel like the price is probably gonna be at least $258, and it's nothing that I'm gonna break my neck for or go out of the way to try and acquire. I'm gonna leave that shit right where it is. We got 2 more pieces for this collaboration. Honestly, they need to drop something else, bro. But we do got this RBG bandana, which is basically the green, black, and red paisley bandana. Hey, I don't know. I guess this is okay. Where is the Supreme branding though? I do not see it. Like, oh shit, it says Supreme. Literally, you gotta get a microscope to see that shit. Is all the way at the bottom of it. Nothing special at all, bro. Honestly, that shit could take a seat. I'm gonna leave it right there, like for sure. I'm just good on it, bro. It's not for me. Not everything is for you, and this shit is not for me. We do have one more piece from the collaboration, but I am gonna talk about that once I show you guys these packages that I got from Subtle. This is a brand I believe from Hong Kong. It's Subtle HK, and we do got the Subtle branding all on this. One thing that I must say, their packaging is insane, bro. You got the little hazard type label right there, which is actually fire. You open this up right there, and boom, you got another bag inside the bag. bag inside the box. This is fire, bro. Honestly, Supreme would sell something similar to this bag right here. Like, they would not put your package in this bag. They would sell you this shit for $30. But right here, we do have the little bag, which is actually pretty clean. You got like this black with the red colorway. Then it says Main Street right here, which says a city goer of ultimate boundary. Pretty clean in my opinion. You got like this label right there, which is so fire. It's like a rubber type material. I honestly really do like that. What I like about their pieces is the fact that it is weatherproof. So anything that you put in here is not gonna get damaged because of rain, snow, ice. Got like this off-white type vibe on the tags, rubber keychain looking thing, which is actually pretty clean. I'm debating on leaving this on there. Another design aspect that I really do like is this Aleeks type safety belt for the actual strap. That's so fire in my opinion. Then it even says subtle on the buckle, which is another clean touch, bro. It says subtle going all across it right here in like a subtle type vibe. We got this little strap holder as well. I definitely do like this. Even the zipper says subtle on it. Like, come on, bro. Definitely a fire piece. I'm gonna go ahead and link them at the top of the description if you guys are interested in checking out some of their gear. This is definitely a fire side bag. They have it in a multitude of colors as well. But right here, we also do have another box from Subtle, as you guys can see right there. I'll never get over their branding, bro. We got the little name of it on the side. Then this one actually came inside an actual bag, which is clean as well. It says Subtle right there on the front, 01 on the back with some details on the bottom. Right here, we do got the raincoat, which is clean, bro. I actually feel like I'm gonna be using this a lot when springtime comes. I would throw a hoodie under this and just call it a day. You got that little Subtle branding right here. It's like in this reddish color, which is not bad at all. You got a main pocket in the front right here. Got that same rubber patch on the front of the jacket. And then it has subtle hints all across. You got this little cargo pocket on the side of the sleeve. It says Away and Subtle on the cuff. On the back of the hood, it says 01. On the side of it, it says Away. Then it has this Away Subtle design right there. On the other sleeve, you actually have more branding. And this material will literally have water just dripping off you. I've never had a raincoat, and I feel like this is my first one. It's so fire, bro. I love the colorways they have. Also, they have like a cream color. This one, a forest green, which is fire. They got the matching pants as well. Dude, these are fire. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so excited to actually try this out and see how well it works with crazy conditions outside, because I feel like this would actually really help. All you got to do is throw on a Supreme hoodie under this and you're set, bro. Fire piece right here. Major shout out to Subtle for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna go ahead and link them at the top of the description. Once again, I really do appreciate you guys out there for showing some love. All means so much to me. Thank you so much for going ahead and sponsoring this video. But let's go ahead and talk about this last Dead Prez tee, and we're gonna get straight up out of here. So like I was saying, we have one more Dead Prez tee, and this might actually be the item that I end up copying. You got the little subtle Dead Prez right here on the chest area. Then on the back, you got the big boy Dead Prez logo with the little Supreme box logo under it. I honestly am feeling this one because it's just a simple tee that you honestly aren't doing too much with. I do like when they do these type of tees because they keep it on the more simple side. Now, if I am gonna state my opinion on this collaboration, it's kind of mediocre simply because I feel like it's lazy, bro. Supreme has been getting pretty lazy lately, if we're being honest, and I do feel like this is one of the main examples. They slapped the logo on the front, slapped the logo on the back, put the little Supreme box logo, and ship that shit off. Like, there's nothing special about this item right here. But if I'm being transparent, this would be an item that I try and go for simply to make the live cop for you guys. If I do end up going for it though, it would be in that black colorway and maybe the camo colorway, because I don't have any camo Supreme tees. I think it's okay. I just feel like they could have done something better, bro. Like, I'm gonna look up Dead Prez on Google and I'm pretty sure I'll find something that's actually harder than whatever they did. They could have made a tee out of this dollar burning right here. That would have been fire, bro. Like, there's so many options. I literally wrote Dead Prez on Google and this is one of the first albums that popped up. Bro, they could have done so much more. I'm gonna just leave that right there. That pretty much does it for this video. Let me know if you guys did enjoy by leaving a like on this one down below. Leave a comment on some videos you would like me to make. Go ahead and click those post notifications, subscribe to the channel. It definitely does mean a lot. But I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.